Hi, this is your BGS Michael. Today I have for you the air window seal cutter and windshield removing tool for disassembling front and rear windows on all vehicles. Big advantage of the product, it's easy and you're fast. So now we're at the windshield, which I've prepared for you. All the moldings are removed. Tip from me, if you are at the roof liner and you do not have enough space, please remove it before you get any damages. Let's get started with the seal cutter. Another tip from me, this tool is not only suitable for windshields, but for any glued items on the body or other plastic parts. And now we need the wire to loosen the windshield completely. To thread in the wire perfectly, we're using the wire reel from BGS Technique. In the wire, you bend the loop and insert it into the wire reel. Apply some tension by hand and then guide it through along the windshield. You can see the wire here. We use our screwdriver to move in the loop and pull out the wire without any problems. We have now inserted the wire perfectly and can start now. To do this, we install the windshield removal kit with the suction disc on the windscreen to the correct position. Please take care on the suction cups that you cannot see the red line anymore. When you have mounted this, put the end of the wire into the deflection pulley and give it one turn already. Another tip from me, BGS has these panels available to protect your dashboard. Always insert behind the wire. Attach the ratchet. When we have reached this position, we need to apply the deflection pulley, which is already included in the set. You pull two to give the wire a little bit more slack to insert the deflection pulley. Now you need to continuously reposition the suction cups. Please make sure that the wire is always at 45 degrees to the suction cups. Now we have the windshield completely detached, and we can apply the suction cups and take it out with two guys. My colleague will help me here, and off we go. A super workflow with this tool from BGS Technique. Clean, fast, easy. You can find more awesome tools on the website bgstechnique.com. You're Michael.